Yes, students. Now next, universal indicator. What is universal indicator? This universal indicator means indicators are chemical compound used to test whether the given solution is acidic or basic by change in color. Okay? But here there is a slight difference. Universal indicator. Using indicator you can only test whether the solution is acidic or basic. You cannot tell if it is acidic, either it is strongly acidic or weakly acidic or moderately acidic. Or if the solution is basic, the solution is either strongly basic or weakly basic or moderately basic. You cannot tell using acid-base indicators, which we have studied earlier. What are the acid-base indicators? One is litmus, then phenolphthalein, methyl orange, methyl red. These all are acid-base indicators. So they are used to test whether the given solution is acidic or basic. How? By change in color. But using acid-base indicator, you cannot tell the given acidic solution is strongly acidic, weakly acidic or moderately acidic. But by using universal indicator, you can tell the given acidic solution is strongly acidic, weakly acidic or moderately acidic. Because this universal indicator shows a gradual change in color with different solutions. Okay? And this universal indicator is available in the form of solution, is available in the form of solutions or paper strips. And this paper strip is called pH paper. In lab, this universal indicator is available in the form of solutions or in the form of pH paper strip, which is also called pH paper. Okay. Now, and what is universal indicator? Universal indicator is mixture of indicators. Universal indicator is mixture of indicators which give gradual, see the term gradual, which give gradual change of various colors. Over wide range of pH. pH means hydrogen ion concentration. As the hydrogen ion concentration goes on increasing or decreasing, this pH paper shows gradual change in color. So this way you can identify the given solution is strongly acidic or weakly acidic or moderately acidic. Okay, like if pH of a solution is 7, this pH paper, if you dip in a neutral solution, example neutral solution, water, okay. If you dip a pH paper in water, what color it will show? Or on a pH paper you put a drop of water, what color it will change? It will change to green. Means pH of water is 7 and it is neutral. Okay. So for neutral solution, pH is 7 and what color the pH paper will show? Green color. So by seeing the color, you can identify the given solution is neutral using pH paper. Okay, pH paper is what? Universal indicator. Now, and for neutral solution, hydrogen ion concentration and hydroxide ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. And when the hydrogen ion concentration goes on increasing, the solution goes on becoming acidic. So, if the color changes from green to greenish yellow in any of the solution, if you dip pH paper and if the color shows greenish yellow, means pH is 7 and the solution is weakly acidic. Solution is weakly acidic. And as you move ahead, if the color, gradual change in color you see from green to greenish yellow, then orange yellow, then orange red, then light red, then red and finally dark red. Means hydrogen ion concentration goes on increasing in a particular solution. The color you see a gradual change. If it is weakly acidic, or start from here, if it is strongly acidic, either dark red, red or light red. So pH value will be 0, 1 or 2, 0 to 2. And when pH value comes to 3 or 4, color in pH paper you will observe orange red or orange. Means moderately acidic. And when color in pH paper shows orange yellow, greenish yellow, means weakly acidic and pH is 5 or 6. So as hydrogen ion concentration goes on increasing, acidic character goes on increasing and in pH paper you can see a gradual change in color. For neutral, it will show green color. Then as the solution goes on becoming acidic, a gradual change in color from green you can see green to greenish yellow, then orange yellow, then orange, orange red, light red, red, dark red. Like hydrochloric acid is strongly acidic. So take hydrochloric acid in a test tube. A white tile you can use. Keep the pH paper over it and add a drop of hydrochloric acid into it, on it. So the pH paper is yellow in color. As you add a drop of hydrochloric acid, the color changes to dark red. Means by seeing the color change in pH, dark red, what you can say, the given solution is strongly acidic because pH is 0 and strongly acidic solution has pH 0. Where hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 10 power 0. Or if it is red or light red, then the solution is strongly acidic. So by gradual change in color, with pH, you can identify the given solution is strongly acidic, weakly acidic or moderately acidic. Likewise, come to basic solution. As the hydrogen ion concentration goes on decreasing, basic character goes on increasing and with pH paper, you will see a gradual change in color from green, which is neutral, to greenish blue. For basic, it will change to blue and for acidic, it will finally change to red. Okay, so from green to greenish blue, then dark blue, purple means basic character goes on increasing, is going on increasing, purple, dark purple, light violet, and finally violet. Means pH if it is 14, strongly basic. pH if it is 7 or 8, pH if 8 or 9, weakly basic. pH if 10, 11, 12, then moderately basic, and 13, 12 to 14, strongly basic. And by change in the color with pH, you can identify the given solution is weakly basic, moderately basic, or strongly basic. Like if sodium hydroxide solution is given to you, okay, and with pH paper, it will show what color? Violet. So seeing the color, change in color with pH, you can identify the given basic solution is strongly basic and pH is 14 or 13. Okay. So students, today what we discussed? First we discussed about the definition of Arrhenius definition of acid and base. So what is acid? Acid is substance which furnish hydrogen ion in its aqueous solution according to Arrhenius. And what is base? Base is a substance which produce hydroxide ion in its aqueous solution. Okay. Next, strong acid, weak acid. If it is acid, it will produce hydrogen ion. So how to differentiate strong and weak acid? The acid which is completely dissociated in its aqueous solution. That is strong acid. It will not remain in undissociated state. And the acid which is weakly dissociated in its aqueous solution, that is weak acid. Means it will remain, some of the molecules will remain in undissociated state also. In the same way, strong base. The base which is completely dissociated in its aqueous solution, that is strong base. And base which is weakly dissociated in its aqueous solution, that is weak base. Okay. Then we discussed pH scale. What is pH? pH expresses hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. The hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is expressed in terms of pH. Okay, and pH value ranges from 0 to 14. And if pH is 7, solution is neutral. And hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. And if pH is less than 7, acidic. If pH is more than 7, basic. And when pH value goes on decreasing, acidic character goes on increasing. And as pH value goes on increasing, basic character goes